So here's another AutoCAD video and StreamDeck. And a lot of YouTube and other live stream influencers use StreamDeck because it does a lot of keyboard shortcuts, one button press, and it does all kinds of stuff. So when I got back into AutoCAD for this project, I remembered that there's a lot of shortcut commands like when AutoCAD is highlighted and it's the main thing. Let's say I want to draw a line. I could just hit the letter L, and if you look down at the bottom of the screen down here, it highlights the letter L, but it's not ready yet. You have to hit enter, and then it tells you to specify the first point. And now I can draw a line, right? So I was like, how can I make that work in StreamDeck? So here's the line tool. I typed the word. So here's how you do this. You go to the text, you drag it to a spot. You type in the name. I'm going to call it QWERTY. And it defaults that color, and I don't like it on the bottom because just the angle of the StreamDeck, it's easier for me to see it on the top. So I just go here, and then I pick a color that stands out. And then it tells you what text you want to add. So for the line tool, I would just hit L. Excuse me. And then here's the best part. It says press enter after message. Excuse me. I'm getting over something here. So click on that, and it's done. It's one of those, you don't have to hit enter, save, or whatever. This now is an active button, and it's actually down on my smaller StreamDeck right now, physically in the upper right-hand corner. So now how that works is I'm over here, and all I do is I push that button, and now I'm ready to draw a line. Is that not cool or what? So it's really fast. And now I'm going to get rid of this. Here's another thing too. Like if you want to move things around, you just drag them to a location. Like I could drag it down to rotate, and it kicks rotate up here, but then I want rotate down there, so it kicks it back up there. Also, you can create multiple pages, and you can sort all your things, all your tools. Oh man, this talking and anyways, I'm going to end this pretty quick. My next phase is to come over here. What I need to find these tool icons in a larger size. I don't know why, but like some of these are big, some of these are little. And what I want is I want to have those icons over here in StreamDeck. I've done that for Chief Architect. These are the Chief Architect icons. And I made them specifically on a black background because if I'm working in a dim room at night, then these work perfect. They're not too bright. But I've reached the end of talking, so there you go.